Got an NFL Honors Upgrade token in Madden Ultimate Team? Here's exactly how to use it to boost your Honors player to the next tier. From the Madden Ultimate Team home screen, go to your item binder. Locate the NFL Honors player you want to upgrade. Make sure it's a card that actually supports the upgrade token system. Select the player, then choose Upgrade from the Options menu. You will see a series of upgrade slots. Scroll until you find the one that requires the NFL Honors Upgrade token. Highlight the slot, select it and confirm to apply your token. Once applied, your player's overall rating and attributes will increase instantly. If you have multiple tokens, you can keep upgrading until you hit the max tier. Also check auction house prices. Sometimes selling the token is worth more than the upgrade depending on the market, and that's how you use your NFL Honors Upgrade token in Madden Ultimate Team. Whether you are boosting your roster or flipping cards for coins, it's a quick way to get ahead. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.